Hello friends, welcome to Engineering Fundu. In this video we discuss about specification and qualification of welding procedure for arc welding. Friends, this is only for educational purposes and increasing the awareness. No business activity to be carried out using this material, and if you want to do any business activity, please purchase authorized standard from authorized source of ISO. Friends, technical content of welding procedure specifications. Any welding procedure specifications should contain at least some of the details, technical details which are necessary for the WPS, and this information includes identification of manufacturer, identification of WPS, reference to welding procedure qualification record, that is WPQR, designation of materials, thickness range of joint, and then outside diameter ranges for pipes. It is for the pipes, then welding process use, then the joint design to be used and how it is designed, then welding position, in which position the welding is to be carried out. All are this the technical content. And then also welding consumables, electrical parameters, preheat temperature, post weld heat treatment, sealing gas, heat input specific to a group of welding processes. That means according to ISO there are some group of processes, and for each processes there are some specific requirements which is to be mentioned in the technical content for of welding procedure specification. Friends, if you have not subscribed to Engineering Fundu, please subscribe to Engineering Fundu. We will keep on posting you few good technical items. Then we have example of welding procedure specification. Here you can see the welding procedure specification, the welding procedure specification identity number, then WPQR number, then manufacturer, mode of metal transfer, joint type and weld type, weld preparation details sketch, method of preparation and cleaning, parent material designation, material thickness, outside diameter, welding positions. Then we have joint design here, then welding sequences you can mention here. So this is the generic example for arc welding. Then we have welding details, runs, welding process, size of filler material, current, ampere, voltage, V, type of current, polarity, wire feed speed, runout length or travel speed, heat input. Friends, you can also mention filler material designation and make, any special baking or drying process if used, designation of gas and flux, shielding, then baking, gas flow rate, shielding and baking, tungsten electrode type or size, fatigue welding, details of back gauging and baking, preheat temperature, interpass, post heating, preheat maintenance, post weld heat treatment, time, temperature, method, heating and cooling rates, other information, then weaving, maximum width of run, oscillations, pulse welding details, distance contact tube or workpiece, plasma welding detail or torch angle. So this is the example of welding procedure specifications which is used for arc welding process. And then finally the manufacturer name, signature and date which is to be signed by the manufacturer. So this is how the welding procedure specification looks like. It depends on how you are carrying out the welding also, and the details you need to include are the generic detail. It depends how many technical content you are using, accordingly you can choose for your welding process. So friends, this is the short description about WPS for arc welding. If you like, please like. Thank you very much and happy learning.